spring, and it's time to put a new battery into this beast. And it's going to be the Dipshit tax. This right here is a trickle charger. As you can see, still nice and snug in its box that I didn't put in. And my bike won't start, and I know why. So, gotta go get a new battery, pay the Dipshit tax, put it in. First rule I generally like to have is the tools to be able to take the seat off and do this on the bike in the first place. But they're not in here, so I broke my first rule already. So we're gonna have to cut, and now I'm gonna find my hexes, and we'll come back to it. Found my hexes. I'm gonna keep them in there from now on, because this can happen, and to me has happened here, there, wherever. So again, this is the trickle charger. Hopefully I'll be smart enough to use that next winter, this next time. This is a remote start pack. Another good reason why it's good to have these tools. If I wanted, in the past I've had experience, I pop this out, I get a quick charge on the battery and start this, but then I get gas, start up again. I hope there's enough juice left in here to do it, which is why we're just going to swap it out. So first thing I got to do is get to the battery and get it out. You bring it over here. I'm not going to go step by step and do every little thing. You don't have to watch me unscrewing everything on my bike. Step one is unscrewing this, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to pop the seat off. So now it should be coming right off. There it is. Gone. Okay. Alright. So, alright, okay, so last time I did this I screwed up and I started taking all these things off to get under it, but after I got halfway through and I looked closer, realized we can do it just one bolt here and flip it out. So, it's a different size hex, looks like. You seem like a winner. Bar. Videos, some of this was just getting in there and figuring it out. I'm sure anybody who's a mechanic who's been in the game a long time finds it pretty basic, but if you haven't, you haven't had a bike that long, some of this stuff you can just get into it. You don't need to pay a mechanic or a dealership necessarily to do it. So there's the battery, there's a connection, and I gotta figure out how to, yeah, there we go, slide that board off. And I'll have to unscrew this and pop this off, and that'll be it. So now I'm just unscrewing the connections. If we were just gonna be jumping it, this would be all the access we need. We're taking it out. Don't know if this is always safe. It's definitely safe with the battery dead. I don't feel electricity. Had to check it first so I didn't die on camera if this was going to be it. Which, if I did. It's kind of the way I live. Dumb shit with a motorcycle. Go in there for a minute. And come here. There you. There it is. We've got our battery. You can write down what kind it is. Maybe you know. Although if you know, I don't know why you're watching this video. I'm going to take you with me. We're going to go to the auto store because they'll recycle this for me too. And typically give you a discount for bringing in a battery to recycle. This is the battery I got from AutoZone. I did get 10 bucks off of it because I brought in the old one. And the dude there explained that I accidentally did it the right way in the first place by taking the positive off first. We're going to put the positive on first. And apparently that's the way it goes. I hope that didn't matter because I did it anyway. Alright. So this one is a little different from the last one, and it comes with the screws. You need to put it in. They're sort of in under here. I'm going to pop them out, and then it looks like I got to pop this case up to get it in. But just getting that on video because from one year to the next, these batteries can look just a little different. And then we got to just slide it back in. First, I'm not suffering from electrocution. Sometimes the angles in here can be a little tough. I'm lucky this one's not too bad. Here we are. Fresh one's in. Slide this cap back up and over. It might matter. It's probably there for a reason, right? And then I'll put this housing back on top. So my bike's got these slots. You see right here. We put these pegs into. If you're a mechanic and you're a motorcycle mechanic, or you're just an amateur who knows more than me, please let me know all the dumb shit I'm doing in the comments. I'd love to learn more. Maybe.